Hi, I'm Saurabh Sharma. Welcome to Mastering Microservices with Java by Pact Publishing. I'm having more than a decade of experience for developing Java-based web application and cloud applications. I started writing Java programs in my college days, which was in late 90s, and I still write Java programs, and I have seen the evolution of Java from 1.1 to till now. I believe in making things simple, so I hope this course is simplified enough to make you master of microservices. Course overview: we'll learn about microservices, its fundamentals, design, implementation, testing, management, best practices, principles, troubleshooting, security, and also explore end-to-end solution. So the idea is it will give you complete picture and you would become full stack developer for microservices after going through this course. So let's explore its content. And broadly, we are talking about introduction, design, development, security and UI, and best practices. So in introduction, which will be to learn about the microservice fundamentals, development environment setup, and implementation of sample REST service. Next part will learn about the domain-driven design, its fundamentals, and a sample implementation. Next, which are key to microservice development, will write code in and out to develop the microservice-based sample application, which includes all its infrastructure services as well. Next, we'll discuss about the security and UI-based microservice, which will develop the web interface for our sample application. And in last sections, we'll discuss about the best practices, principles, and troubleshooting of microservices. So before moving to the next video, I would like to share, if you know the Spring framework, it's good. Even if you don't know, it is easier to move forward.
Welcome to Microservices and Cloud Native Applications with Spring 5, a video course by Pact Publishing. I am Andy Morris and I will be Ranga Rao Karanam's voice for this course. Ranga Rao Karanam is a programmer, trainer and architect. His areas of interest include cloud-native applications, microservices, evolutionary design, high-quality code, DevOps, BDD, TDD, and refactoring. He loves consulting for startups on developing scalable, component-based cloud-native applications and following modern development practices such as BDD, continuous delivery, and DevOps. Ranga started in 28 minutes with the vision of creating high-quality courses on developing cloud-native Java applications. He is looking forward to enhancing his already considerable success, 75,000 students on Udemy and 35,000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so let's now talk about Spring 5. Spring 5 is due to arrive with a myriad of new and exciting features that will change the way we've used the framework so far. This video will show you this evolution, from solving the problems of testable applications to building distributed applications on the cloud. The video begins with how application architectures have evolved from monoliths to those built around microservices. You will then get a thorough understanding of how to build and extend microservices using Spring Boot. Now we will see what we are going to cover in this video course. In the introductory section, Evolution towards Microservices and Cloud-Native Applications focuses on the evolution of application architectures in the last decade. We will get a quick overview of the different Spring projects that help us build cloud-native applications. In the next section, Building Microservices with Spring Boot, we will start with implementing a basic web service while making use of different features from the Spring framework. The next section, Extending Microservices, focuses on adding more advanced features to the microservices. In the final section, Advanced Spring Boot features, we will deploy the microservice to cloud. We will also learn how to develop more effectively with the developer tools provided by Spring Boot. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey together, and I hope you will enjoy the ride.